G'day everybody, this is Michael from Tech and Tools, and today I am going to be looking at fixing some lighting in my room here, my little computer room / study, whatever you want to call it. So yes, we'll be looking at a few things. Number one, I've picked this up with a stand. And I'll show you where I got this and how much it costs and everything like that. So yeah, it's a little ring fill light with a stand. I don't know if it's YQ320A or YQ320B, whatever. So we'll be looking at that, and yeah, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so my current lighting situation isn't very good in here. I'm obviously using the light, the room light, but I've also got this light here, which I'll turn it off so you can see it. Covered. Just yeah, a bit. Yeah, spread the light, but it's a bit, the switch is a bit dicky. It works and sometimes it doesn't work. And let's get it to stay on. Yep, it's on. Yeah, so there's that. When I'm using the Logitech camera here, I do have this little fill light here on. So I'm trying to hold the camera. This is new to me. I do use this, so that there, that little fill light there when I'm using that, and I always have really good quality video. Going to a specific camera was a little bit different, so I wanted to get some more lighting in this room. I want to get it up higher, coming down low to stop this reflection. So you can see through my, unfortunately I have to wear glasses, so that's what I want to try to stop. Yeah. So that's what I said. I picked up this, and so let's go ahead and box this and have a look at it, and also the stand. The stand's falling on the bloody floor, and a stand, which is looking pretty simple. So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so as I said, we've got this little ring fill light I got off of eBay. I have no idea which one it is, so it should come with the light, little bullhead, power adapter, and apparently even a remote control, and something to hold your phone. So let's have a look at this. Let's open this up. And first thing is the bullhead. Bullhead there. Oh, little thing, I think that's, yeah, hold your phone or whatever if you have that. Yeah, I don't think I'll use this, but off the bat I don't see a, apparently it's got a plug. It's got a plug. I have USB, and I'm guessing this is the controller. Okay, I wonder how that works. Anyway, we've got the bin, the actual light itself. How big is it? It's about 12 inches in diameter. So yeah, let's get this set up on the tripod and see how it goes. Oh, before that, it's a power button, up and down, and something else, another button. I'll figure out what that does in a minute. Alright, let's set this up. Alrighty, so here's where I got it from, as usual, eBay. It's my best friend. I'll flick across to the page. So yeah, here we go. 30 Australian bucks. It's not bad, I don't think. Yeah, so as you can see there, that's what it's supposed to be used for. It's funny how the package says it's supposed to come with. The package says it comes with a an adapter for the wall, but actually on the picture it doesn't. So that's interesting. But for 30 bucks Australian, it's worth taking a bit of a punt on. So I don't mind that. So yeah, it's 30 bucks. It's not going to break the bank. It's beginner stuff. So yeah, let's keep going the rest of the video. Quickly, I forgot to also show, it does come with this, which actually screws into, you can see here, the top here, there's a little, in the middle of the light here, it's really bright, which, God, my video skills are terrible, pardon me, I'm so sorry. So this bends, this screws in there and you can bend it and hold a phone. So the screen actually might help. So yeah, this is all bendable and that, and yeah, this is, it opens up to grab your phone. And this thing here is a remote shutter for either Android or I don't know if you can read that on there. The Android or iPhone, which I'm not really going to use. So couple little extra bits there that could be useful to some people. I'm probably not going to use them, but yeah, for the price I'm quite happy. So yeah, there we go. Okie dokie, so I've got it set up. Let's just turn this off because when I'm video recording this way I don't have this on. As you can see, it's a lot brighter in here. This should give me a better quality video. So I'll show you what we've got. So the tripod's fairly simple, not that sturdiest thing in the world, and of course this bright bloody thing at the top. So, which I'll turn down. It's just for the camera. So that does get quite low. I can turn this off now. So you can probably get rid of this thing and replace it with this. So this control here, you've got on and off, lower, higher in brightness, and then the middle button, which I wasn't sure, it changes it between warm, cold, and both. So you've got warm, cool white light, cool and warm, or just warm. So I'll go with both. And then after you get the bright, you can turn the brightness right up. Watch your eyes. That's not even right up. So that's up top. So yeah, there we go. Hopefully that will improve the lighting in here. So I will actually be having this. Let's move this. At the moment, I've got it just connected. My keyboard for power, but I've got a power point in the corner I'll get to and plug it in there, and I'll find a little power point to USB type A adapter to power it. So hopefully you see the difference. So I'll show you the difference what I used to have. Alright, so if I can get this working. No, it's getting dicky. So we're going from this to this. Huge difference. For the money that I paid for it, it's not a great deal. Alright, so this should improve the quality. It should improve it a lot. Yeah, so something really simple. I can move this between here in my shed when I'm videoing. So it's light. It does collapse down if I wanted to take it somewhere, not that I will. And for the price, not bad. I think. See how long it lasts. I have no idea. It is all plastic. It's not, you know, it's on the cheap side of things, but you know, you get what you can afford. So yeah. All right. Well, that's about it. So there's my review on the YQ320A or YQ320B. You can pick which one it is. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I've just passed 700 subscribers, which is cool for me. My goal is 1,000, and then 10,000, then 100,000 hopefully. So one day, yeah. So you hope you can see a big difference and improve the quality of my videos. So yeah. Till next time, take it easy.